Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to build Shopify store with AI completely from scratch. So let's get started. So in this video, in building our Shopify store with AI, we will be using this platform. So we have a link in the description below so that you'd be able to access this website. And by the way, I recommend you that you check out the link in the description below, in which you can get a exclusive Shopify deal. So aside from the link for this website, we also have another link for Shopify so that you can avail with an exclusive discount for only $1 per month, because you would need a subscription for this process. So that huge discount, which is only $1 per month, would greatly help you in getting started here in Shopify, and also it would help our channel. So now once you're all set up, once you're here, you will now get through these steps. So the first step that we have is our email. So I'm gonna provide my email, click on access, and from here I'm gonna put my name. So right here in my case, I'll go for Tutors Kyle, and my password right there, and click here on I have read and agree. So I'm gonna click on access. Now let's go and proceed to the next step. So from here, you can create your professional store in under 12 minutes, as they say. So this would be a really easy process right here in building your store with AI. So tell me, what main color do you want to use for your store? So in my case, I think I will go for this blue color right here because it's easier to the eye. So I'm gonna click on that maybe. And then next thing is, now we will be able to see some banners right here on which style we would like. I think I would go for this one. This one looks great. And this one maybe. So click on done. And then after that, we now have our banners. So now we need to follow the steps below. So the first one is click the button below to access Shopify, and then the Shopify website will open in your tab. And then we just have to complete the registration information and then return to this tab. All right, so click on access Shopify. So from here, what you need to do is to provide your email address that you will be using for this store. So in my case, I have not provided it, and I'm gonna click now on start free trial. And from here, I'm just gonna answer this question, or I could also click here on skip all if you don't want to answer this yet. But if possible, then I recommend that you answer all of this. So click here on skip all, and then from here, choose the country or region of your store and click on next once you're done. And then the next thing is, now we can sign up with email right here. So now we have provided our email already. So now all we have to do now is provide our password. Right there, click on create Shopify account. And there it is. It has now been created. It's currently building our store and so on. So let's just wait for it to finish building it. Here it is. So it's almost done. And there you go. We now have our store built here in Shopify. So now let's go back into this website. And then once you have completed the registration, you would now click here on the done button. So click on done right here, and now it's very simple. Follow the instructions below to make the connection. So you want to click on the access Shopify button on this page. So all you have to do is copy the link or URL of your store, where you can find at the top of the new tab opened in your browser. So now let's click on here. Let's go back into our website, copy on our link, click on right click, copy, and paste it here in the URL. Paste that, and then click on save, click on access Shopify. And this is basically just the same thing right here. Just copy this one, and then from here you want to tap on done. As you can see, we have already pasted the address of our store, and then we have also clicked on save. Then click on done once you are done. And there it is. Now all you have to do is configure the app in Shopify. So to set up the app on the Shopify, you need to scroll down and access the Shopify apps screen and click allow custom app development. So you can scroll down to the bottom and click on access Shopify app screen. Here it is, and click on allow custom app development. And then the next thing is, let's see, click on custom app development, click again on allow custom app development. So click here, and then after that, After you have clicked on this one, the next thing is to create an app. And from here, you want to name the app right here. So ecom.express. All right, so ecom.express and click on create app. And then after that, you want to go configure admin API scope. So click here. And then the next thing is basically you want to select all access scope options. So you want to select all of this right here. So I'm just gonna go and check all of this. So this might be a lot, so it might take some time right here. So basically we would just want to check all of this as instructed in the website right there. Check, there you go. Now we're almost done. We're halfway there, and we just need to enable all of this. Then we can proceed to the next step. Here it is. There. We're almost done. Here. And this is quite a lot right here, so it's taking quite some time. So, but we are almost done. So now let's scroll down right here. And here it is. As you can see, we are currently here in this progress. We're kind of 80% on our progress yet right there. So we're almost done. And there you go. We are now done. So we have now checked everything. So the next thing, once you have checked all of that, you want to hit on the save button. All right, so click here on the save button, and it has now been saved right there. So the next thing is to click on the done button to continue. So we have clicked on save. Then now we can click on the done button here. So now the next step is, so in order to have your personalized professional store, it is necessary to complete this step. So you need to validate the authorization. So click on the Ecom Express app that we have just created. So go back here to apps and sales channels right here and go to develop apps right here, and you can see the Ecom Express right here. Click on that. And then once you have clicked on that, you want to go to API credentials, and from here install app, and then the token code right here, install. And there we have it. Now we need the token code right here, so we can go into here. So reveal token once and click on copy. There, it is now copied to the clipboard. And then the next thing is to return to this tab and then paste the token in the field below. So paste it right here. Paste that and access, or you can click here on save. And now click on the done button right here. There it is. Now all is good. Now the next thing is you need to activate the free trial on the Shopify account, or your store will be limited in functionality. So this is what I've told you earlier. So you need to activate your plan right here. You need to choose one of the plans, and you can avail one of the plans right here for only $1 per month when you click on the link in the description. So from here, click on go to Shopify plan screen right here, and basically just enter your credit card information and avail one of those plans. So we're gonna click here, access Shopify plan screen. So in my case right here, so all I have to do is basically just provide my payment information right here until I buy the Shopify right here. But I'm gonna change this plan into the advanced plan right here. I want to select this right there. So now from here, I'm just gonna provide my payment details. As you can see right here, my subscription is now successful. So all that's left is to provide my business address for my store right here. So I'm just gonna provide this one. And now after you have paid for the Shopify plan and confirmed your address, you want to go back to this website. And then from here, you just want to click on check Shopify settings right here so that it could validate that all settings are correct to build your professional store. Once it's all done, you want to now click here on the done button. So click on that. And now here it is. So now all that's left is to simply click the customize my store right here, and it would add the 20 winning products to our store for drop shipping. So this is really great right here. So it's customization in progress. All we have to do is wait. So when the customization is finished, the button below will turn to done. So as you can see, it's now on done. So you want to click here on done so that we can proceed. And here we have it. So from here, click on add products to your store. And this process may take 10 minutes, but you don't have to wait for it to finish. So when the customization is finished, tap on the done again. Right here, tap on done. And then the next thing is from here, we need to remove the password and publish your store. So we would need to click on access Shopify to publish your store right here. And we would also need to remove the password. So uncheck this and click on save. And then from here, we would now return to this tab and then tap on done once you are done. Right there. So now everything is done. So configure checkout is all that's left. So from here, we want to go here into click here on access Shopify, and we will be prompted here into the payment section right here. So let's click here on settings and go into payments right here, and go into payments, and then from here complete account setup. And as you can see, we don't have the Shop Pay available in our case, but if in your case you have the Shopify payments available, then you need to complete the account setup. So I'm just gonna skip this step since we don't have it right here, and click here on done once you are done setting this up. And after that, you will now find a new product for you every day. So find a new trending product, or you can just skip for now. So let's just skip this right here. And then now you have a professional store and you can start making sales. So now you can click on access my store. And then from here, we can now see the store. And then as you can see, our store is now built with a banner that we have right here. And when we go into our catalog, we now have our winning products that was created by AI. And then you can also edit the price if you'd want to. You can increase it so you'd have more sales. And click here on done once you're done with this one. And now the supplier. So you would need to learn how to process an order, so how to ship your customer's purchase to your home. So you need to choose a supplier and basically complete all of these steps right here. And go to create a free account and Zendrop. This is just optional, but with this one, actually you have already created a Shopify store with AI. So this is basically how you can do it. So now let's try and go into checkout and let's see how it would look. So click on buy now, and from here, this is how it would look with our checkout right here on the store that we have created with AI. And you have the option right here to connect your store into a supplier and so on, but these are just post process on after creating your store. So you would need to configure this. If you are a drop shipper, then you would need this one right here. But I think we will stop here for today's video since we have already completed our goals, which is to build a Shopify store with AI. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.